Alright. Hello everybody and welcome back to Game with Grotto. My name is Omni. Today we are continuing...
What the hell's that?
I got caught in my words.
Yeah,
Come on, join up
tongue's
already.
a little bit too big.
Yeah, anyway, are you joining?
Yeah, I've been here the whole time. I ain't going nowhere.
How come you're not there yet?
I am out there. I'm in the tent.
Oh,
See?
I mean,
Hello.
yeah, I know you're here, but I mean, like, accept the quest already. The Bird Braid Bandit.
Where the hell is the board? How do I accept it?
You accept it through... You talk to the girl.
Oh, okay. This is like my second time playing the game.
Second time as you've got farther ahead of me.
I just have more time than you today, I guess. Wait, I talked to her. She's got nothing here but special rewards.
Keep talking.
Join a quest. I got it.
There you go.
Alright, all set.
Yay, finally. What the hell? I'm standing
This game
by.
is confusing enough.
I know it is. Get used to it. I just had to. Anyway,
So
welcome back to Gamers Grotto. We are continuing in Monster Hunter World, and I'm here, as you could tell, with James.
The one-eyed Jew.
Yes. I cannot understand why he thought this was a good name. I don't even know.
It is. It's hilarious. You don't have to understand. You just have to see it, accept it, move on. Why aren't I moving? Oh, because we're waiting to be prepared to go? I don't know what's going on.
Press the middle.
Oh, wow. There we
There
go.
you go. Wow.
Need to lay off the reefer.
The what? Wait, you said you never did this one, and yet you're farther than me in the game.
Well, what is the monster? I don't know the monster's names. I know what they look like. I don't know the mission's names. Is this the one that's like a velociraptor with feathers?
Yes, it's a Kulu. It's a Kulu Yaku.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm wielding a new. This is the third time I played the game. All right. The first time I played with you, I played earlier today for the second time, and this time playing with you again is my third time actually playing. And when I killed the monster, I was using my sword and shield, but now I'm using a new weapon. I want to see if I like it. So far, I like it, but the sword and shield is nice. Ah, I could catch that bird, but damn it, too late.
I like the charge. I like my charge weapon. They say it's also the hardest one to master. A charge weapon.
Ah. Well, to each his own, I suppose.
I guess so. So this is the Jagras area. Why did we walk here?
I don't know. Just like exploring.
No, I'm wondering why I walked over here. But they're dead now.
Oh, damn it.
Ah, great. Good thing there's no friendly fire.
My bad. You can get knocked back by it, I think, right?
Maybe. But let me just take all these guys' organs.
Wish I could disable my own bombs, my own traps, but I can't. Well, it's not a trap; it's a bomb. I don't know what it's called. Why aren't those flies helping us? Are we going the wrong way?
Because they don't know where they are. So we gotta track them down first.
All right. Well,
I believe if we go over in this way, well, we might have a clue on where to look. Might, as I say.
let's see.
So let's just try and look for tracks. Also climb up high, because they might also be there too. Might. Don't mind me, I'm just climbing. Look at me.
I see ya. I'll be there in a little bit.
Right. No tracks anywhere yet.
One-eyed Jew is coming for you, the one-eyed Jew. Alright. You know what? I should get an eye patch for my character.
Ah, shit, I jumped.
Huh? Whoa, what the hell happened? You like flew off.
I jumped. I pressed circle instead of X, and I jumped instead. Aw, don't eat that. That's a maggot. Aw.
I don't even know what these things do. I just pick it up.
It's probably a health or stamina boost, but you just ate a maggot. Alright.
Delicioso.
But it's disgusting.
What is
Hold
this
on.
thing?
I'm coming.
It's a pig with a helmet.
Oh!
You know what?
Hit it.
What it?
Hit it.
Hit
Smack
it.
it. Yeah, smack it in the face.
Alright.
What did it do?
Dazed. It's dead.
You killed the pig?
Killed the pig. Moss wine is what it's called. Called a moss wine.
Alright, let me get
That
there.
was different. Alright, we gotta find something fast because we're running out of time here.
I seem to be on top of it. Or it's on top of me. It's flying. That or it's running
Thing can't
really...
fly.
Well, the thing I'm
Thing cannot
tracking...
fly.
The thing I'm tracking is really fast.
Oh.
Oh
I see that
god,
there's
it's
two
a
monsters
dragon!
on the map. Yeah, if I were you, I'd get the fudge out of there.
I found a dragon. And it's a Kakula-Ku. A Kula-Ku. A Kulu-Yaku is over here with the dragon! They're fighting!
I'll try to get there if I can.
Yeah,
Where's
try,
the
because
button?
this is,
There it is. Alright, I'm on my way.
It's running away! Oh, that is very bad. This dragon's pissed off. I don't want to fight the dragon, I want to fight Kulu-Yaku.
Could you run any faster up this freaking cave?
Now they're just sitting there. Oh, the Kulu-Yaku is, now angry.
Why did you go away? Why did you go away? I don't want to fight those things.
Ah, come here, Kulu-Yaku. Uh-oh, and that dragon's ready to kill me. Nope, he just
I'll be
blasted
there any
the,
second now.
He just blasted the Kulu-Yaku.
Woohoo! Oh shit! That is a dragon.
Yeah, that is a dragon. Want to try and kill it?
Sure.
It's in our way.
Oh! Ah! That's a space.
Come on, what's wrong? Alright, as long as that dragon's out of the way, we just gotta focus on the Kulu-Yaku.
Oh, where did the Akula? There he goes. I don't care about a Rathos right now.
Oh crap! The dragon's after us! The dragon's after us! He is pissed off! Get that Kulu-Yaku! Get over here!
I hope that dragon don't come over here and start no trouble.
Hopefully it won't. And I just got my ass. That's good. Come here. Come on.
Come on, stop moving around so much.
Where's that Kulu-Yaku? What'd you think it was gonna do? Oh, it's gonna throw shit. Oh, it picked up an item to use as a weapon. That's bad.
Got one more shot left.
You got it in its mouth. Alright, come here. Oh, ow, that hurt a lot. I gotta take a potion.
Get out of here with that rock. Oh, gotta reload.
Oh, I'm stunned. That's why. Okay. I'm drinking up a potion.
Gotta reload again. What you trying to do? You can't hit me.
Hiya!
Too fast for you. Reload, son.
Nope. Nope, get that out of your hands. What do you think you're doing?
Take these explosions.
He's running away. Don't let him get away.
Come on, come on.
Come on. Follow the bugs. God
Damn,
damn
I
it,
missed.
stop fleeing from us. Accept your fate and die. No wonder it's taken 50. They give us 50 minutes.
I'm out of stamina.
I still got my ways to go. Hey-ya! I lost him.
I got him. Hey, buddy.
Nowhere to run from, boy. Ah, crap, he's got assistance. No in hell. Come on. Ooh, Kululaku part's broken. Ow.
Take this bomb, so you.
Take a fistful of
The
that.
wave. There he goes. He's running again.
Come on, little doggies. Wish the music was a little more dramatic, though. Oh, he's limping. He's trying to get back to his nest. Stop him immediately. Oh, he's eating. He's recovering health.
Is he in his egg?
There we go. He's disturbed. Ouch. That hurt. Now he's agitated. And he's got a rock. That thing can jump.
Come on. Reload, damn it.
Ah, I missed.
Right now.
There we go. Oh, he dropped the rock. But he's now...
He's dead.
Oh, he's dead. Alright. We got a broken egg. A Kulu Yaku broken egg.
Oh, that was rough.
Harvest it, quick. Give me their organs.
Hey, that dragon's flying around.
Yeah, I
See the
can
dragon.
see. Delicious organs from the Kulu Yaku. Thanks for making sure the campsite is safe. We went ahead and got the camp all set up. It's yours to use as you like. I wish they actually made them talk instead of we have to
Yeah, me
read
too.
it.
Instead of having to read, that's like, come on. People have been
Come
waiting
on.
so long for this game. And we
Yeah, and
still
you
have to
already
read.
put so much budget in it, and now you're doing some budget cuts.
Like, can you just give the voiceover actors a couple extra bucks? Alright, what are we doing now?
Well, right now I'm talking to a command. I gotta go speak to a commander. Speak to the
Alright.
commander. He is this way. Hello, Commander, and also Chief.
Fun's keeping you
The
busy.
first rank field team leader. La-di-da-da. You have absolutely nothing to say. Alright, what's up,
Done well.
Commander? Alright, Hunter, the Pookie hunt is on. Once you've hunted the target, the scholars will be able to get a closer look at the evidence we found. I cannot stress enough on how vital our effort the Pookie is for the commission. I'm gonna call it a Pukey because it vomits.
We're the ones to get done.
Yeah, good luck and be careful. Alright.
Has an urgent mission. Partner, you'd better come
That's what
see
we're
me.
going. That's what we're doing now. The
Hey
Pukey.
there.
Well, in a second, but I gotta go speak to the handler. But I want to go check out my house, wherever the hell it is. I do not know where my house is.
Okay, I know where mine is. I'm in my house right now.
Yo.
Hold on a minute.
Oh, I found it.
It's a little, yeah, it's like hidden a little bit.
I'm gonna see what animals I have in here. I do not have any. For some strange reason. Oh! If you know that, I can set those loose right here in your room. Place your pets. Yay, I got pets. I got the hare, the woodland priest, and the revolture. I don't have the priest in there, or maybe the vulture. I'll do that one. I like the dragon-like looking thing. Yep, now I got one prancing around in my room. I'm gonna leave this episode here. We'll continue this on into another episode. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode here. Leave a like if you did, subscribe to stay updated on more of my content. Go check out James Gaines87. He's got some pretty good stuff there. You won't see his face like I do, but that's his choice. But anyway, thank you, have a great and wonderful day, and we'll see you all in the next episode. Later.